Hello beautiful people, it's Araya Marie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I was super excited to do an Easter makeup tutorial because it is one of my favorite times of the year, probably mostly because my birthday's next week and it's springtime, and what else can you ask for? It's just an awesome time of year, and I was totally trying to decide between doing a natural makeup look that you can wear to church for Easter Sunday or something bright that you can wear every day if you are a crazy goober like me who likes to wear gray lipstick. So actually this lipstick is the Maybelline Superstay matte ink lipstick, and this was one of my first times using it in a makeup look and I'm really loving it. That was basically my inspiration for this whole look, was being able to use this lipstick. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe and to like my channel. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Continue watching for some makeup. I'm going to start with my base. I'm going to be using Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the color 112 Natural Ivory. I love that foundation because it is an awesome matte, almost like a powdery finish foundation. I'm using my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. I'm going to use my NYX eyebrow gel for my eyebrows. I'm going back in with my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer into my eyebrows to kind of chisel them out before I go into doing my eyeshadow. I'm using my Urban Decay Eye Primer. I'm using this amazing, extraordinary, super pigmented, beautiful palette, and it is called Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics. Super wonderful palette. I meant to do a review on it before, never got the chance to do it. I was looking forward to using this for this makeup look for months because, I mean, look. It's an Eastery color palette. First I'm going to use this orangey color right here. They don't have names, so I'm just going to call them by the color. I'm going to use this color right here, this kind of fuchsia pink color, and I'm doing that on the outer corner and then the inner corner, and I'm going to create a halo with it. And do this color, which is more of a fuchsia purple color, and I'm going to do that right on the outside of where I did that, on the outer corners, just to deepen it up a little bit more. I'm just blending these colors out a bit more with that previous brush that I used with the orange. I'm going to use this darker purple color just on the very outer corner to deepen it up just a bit more. I'm going to take that concealer, just a little dab in the center of the eye to create the halo effect. I'm going to use this very light pink color on the center of the eyelid. I'm adding a little bit of some of the color back in there to blend it together. I'm going to use this blue color right on the outer corner of the bottom waterline. I'm just going to incorporate this somehow. Going to take a flat brush for my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this highlighter color at the bottom to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to use my NYX Epic Ink liquid liner on my top lash line. I am using some blush from Tarte in the color Quirky. I am using that same brush, and I'm going to use a little bit of contour with the color Sculpt from my Tarte Pro Glow palette. I'm going to highlight with the color Strobe in the same palette, Tarte Pro Glow, and I'm going to do this on my cheekbones. Now I'm going in with my mascara, and I'm going to put my lashes on. For my lips, I am using Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. This is the color 90 in Huntress, and it's like, it looks lavender on the bottle, but it really looks just gray in person. And I'm going to spray with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. And that's all. I hope that you enjoyed it. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you can see more of my crazy shenanigans, and give me some ideas and some inspiration. Bye guys!